Okay guys, once again welcome back. This is Jimdel-Edu. Welcome back for another tutorial. This is part 4. This is where we left. Okay, and now part 4, let's work with this guy. We working with this part. Okay, now we got 6 products, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and after this is where we left. Now let's add this portion. Okay, now let's open your code editor. This is HTML. I want you to open index.html. Let's add some code inside of it. And now I'm going to call this part. We are going to create the sticky. Let's create the sticky layer. Okay. Let me show you one second. First thing, we are going to create this. Okay, this when you click. Okay, back to top. Okay, we need to create a div here. Let me put it this way. Create ID. I call it up sticky layer. This is how you call it. And at the same time, I'm going to pass a style here. I'll put the position fix. Also, the text align left, and we need for the left part. Okay, we need the left part should be auto. For the right part, it should be 25 pixels. Also, our top should be auto, and our bottom should be 25 pixels. We need a width of 50 pixels. Also, our z index 86, like this. Okay, and next I want you to go to the next line and create a div. Okay, and add ID. Call this one my underscore of icon, like this. And I'm going to pass a start quick, position absolute, and the left pixel, and top pixel, and the width of 24 pixel, height of 24 as well. Need a text align to be center, and our z index to be 20, like this. Okay, and go to the next line, put an anchor tag here, and call it logo layout grid. And after that, go here, put a div inside of here, and the first one, go here, put in the ID, call it up icon, like this, and go here in front of the closing div, put an I like this, and close this one. First one, pass it. First I pass a class here. That's for the arrow. Like this, arrow up. Okay, and this is done. This div, this is the opening, the closing. I want you to move this up. That means this is one block of code. Okay, and this is let's move this. Okay, this is where it should stay. This is okay. This go here, or we can keep it this way if you want. Let's keep it this way. You click here, opening, closing div, and then this is one block of code. Okay. Let me move this. This is one block of code, and I want you to go after, skip one line, and then now I'm going to add I'm going to call this one categories layout grid 1, like this. Okay, and create a div, put we need ID, call it my to be 1, and go here, create another div, and put okay, here again the div, the class called row, the div that for the column. Okay, also another div for the column padding, or like this. And also we need another div for the ID. Oh, we forgot to add something here. We need let's cut this. Cut it. Put a class first and paste it. Cut this one as well. Put a class and paste it. Okay, and then here ID, call it category text. Categories text 1. Okay. And go here inside. I'm going to pass a span, and the first one, put a style inside of it. Is my color. Put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros, and a font family of okay, and the font size of 19 pixels. Also, I'm going to create a string here, and from the middle here, I'm going to say this is a browse category, like this. Okay, if you save everything and go back here and refresh the page, as you can see, we have this browse category. Okay, let's continue. Here, you can see when you click on this, my category text 1, click on this div. This is the opening, this is the closing. Is the closing div. I want you to go after the closing div here. After the closing div, put some space, and after the closing div, now I want you to create a div. Okay, a div. That div's for the my category text 2, because we have my category text 1, and what we can do, we can delete this and we copy this block of code. Copy this block of code and we paste it here. Oops. And we paste it here, and I'm going to call this one my category text, put 2 here, and put a style, same thing. I'm going to change the color. Is the color, put 80. Okay, instead of 19, font size, put 13, and here I'm going to add on its stone. Remove the stone. Okay, we need to remove the stone here. Okay, and I'm going to put something else. This is where we say look for your dream clothes. Okay, if you save everything, I go to file saver and go to here. Okay, as you can see, this is it right here. Let's go back and okay, now move everything, all the closing div, move them. Okay, and this block of this part is done. Let's continue with we need to add, remember, let me show you now. Let's work with, we're working on, remember, we're working on this part right here. Let's go back here now, skip one line, and I'm going to say now we're working, get some space. This is category layout grid. This is distant category layout grid 2. We need a div. Okay, and this is where we are going to pass our first image and pass all of our images here. And okay, our first div and ID, and I'm going to call it layout grid 2. We can change this and then put a 2 and go here, put another div. Oops, and put an ID and call it this time category layout grid, put a 2. Okay, 2, and go here again, create a div. Okay, and we need a div for row. No, before that, put I wanted to put a class for row, put a class like this, and go here again, create a div, a class, put call colon 1. Okay, and after that create another div and create an ID and call it my categories image. This is for image 1, our first image, and let's pass our style at the same time. I want to display inline block with a width of 100% and a height auto, and my index supposed to be 23 like this. It's my column. Go to the next line. I'm going to put an anchor tag. I'm going to call it trending layout. Remember, see how I do it. I put trending layout grid 2, image 1, grid 2. Okay, and go here, put IMG, click the tab. Now this is where I'm called my folder called images, and put / call. This is my first image, that JPG. Okay, this is my first image, and go after that, create an ID, call it category image 1 like this, and go here with the alt, leave it blank, width of 203, and we need a height of 424. Okay, a height of 24. Okay, and after that go to the next line, create a div. Okay, and inside of the first one create ID, call it category image1, but I have to overlay that like this. And from before the closing div, put a first name, I call it shirt, and go here, save all, and go to our browser, refresh it. Okay, this is our first image. Okay, now let's go after this line of code. Okay, look for here this block of code. Look for this block of code. I can separate this for you. This is this like this. Okay, as you can see, and I want you to go after the closing div, this div right here. Is for colon 1. Okay, these are colon 1, but here this is where we pass our first image here, and go here, go to the next line. Okay, go to the next line and create a div. Okay, now an ID, I'm going to call it this one, the same thing. Or what we can do, we can delete this and go here and copy this block of code and paste it here. Okay, now we can make some changes. Remember, image 1, grid 2, and display, everything is okay. Instead of 23, the index here, put 24. Also, everything looks good. I'm going to change the name of the picture. I'm going to put easy, put something at the CPN. Okay. Also, category, don't forget, this is image 2. Put image 2 here. This is image 1, image 2. And for the height is supposed to be 202, 202 like this. Okay. This is the rest of it, and this is, I'm going to change overlay, put 2 here, and change this to 250. Okay, this is one block. If we save everything and we go back here, you refresh it, this is our second image. Okay, now we can do the same thing, but now after adding these two, this is the first 2 images, and what I want to do, go skip one line, and I want to skip one line, and now put a div like this. Okay, and don't forget, put a class, put colon 1, go inside of it in the div, and here ID. We can do the same thing. Okay, let me think how we can copy and paste. Okay, oops, need a style, display, this one, display inline block, width of 100%, height of the height should be auto. Also our z-index at this time 23, and put a okay like this. And next, go to the next line. Need an anchor tag here. Put trending layout grid 2. This is fine. And go here in front of the closing anchor tag. Put img. Click on tab and call my images folder. Put the forward slash and image and go here, put in the ID category image. That one's supposed to be image 2. Yes, yes. That's image 1. Yes, image 1. Grid 2, image 1, and we need alt, leave it blank, width of 303 like this, and we need the height of 424 like this. Okay, and go after this is the opening anchor tag, this is the closing. Go after the closing to the next line, put a div. Okay, and the first one we need ID called category image 1, but I have to overlay this one like this, and let's put something in front of the closing div. Put the name like this. Save everything and go here, refresh the page. We got our third image of product. Okay, after that, what I want you to do is go here. This is let me show you. Bring this up, and inside of the this is another colon 1. Okay, this is another colon 1. What I want you to do, I want you to is the opening colon 1 right here is the closing. Go before that and bring the closing down. Okay, only after this block of code, go to the next line here like this, and skip one line. Put a div. Okay, put a div. But what we can do here, we can copy this block of code. Okay, like this, and we paste it here. Now let's make some changes. I'm going to say this one's supposed to be image 2 and grid 2, image 2, grid 2, and z index supposed to be 24. Now I'm going to change the image. Here's the image. I'm going to put in another image. I'm going to call Fire TV. Okay, this is another image, and it's supposed to be here. Put image 2. The alt width is okay. Height 202. Okay, this is fine. Also here, this line I'm going to put image 2, and I'm going to change the name here like this. If you change it with go and bring this up right now, this closing div, and now we can bring this up. Okay, because this is one block of code right here. Okay, now and then after that, what I'm going to work on now, I'm going to say this is the colon 2, put it like this, just to separate things for you, make it more easier for you. Okay, now this is, I'm going to say the okay. Oh, what I can do, I can do pretty much on the same thing. I can copy this whole block of code right here. I can copy this this whole block of code and make some changes. Let's do this. I took this is a colon 1 or another colon 1. I can copy this. Let's copy this one and paste it here. Okay, now let's work with this one right here. Let's put 2 instead of 1. Let's put 2 image, put image 2, grid 2, and pretty much put 24, z index, put 24 here. Okay, and grid 2, this is, I'm going to change the image name, I'm going to change the image name. Okay, that this This is JPEG. Okay. And put here, put 2. Okay. Alt. The width is okay. Also for the height, put 202. And this is okay. Here, put image on this line. Put image 2. Okay. And I'm going to change this name. Put okay, show them like this. Okay. And for the second block of code, put 3. This is image. Put image 3, grid 2, and put image 3 here. And display put okay. Okay, this is fine. Put the z index supposed to be 25 here. And I'm going to change the name of the picture. PNG. This is image 3 on this line. ID image 3. Alt. Okay. The width is okay. The height is okay here. And for this line, I'm going to say image 3 is okay. And let's change the name. Okay. If you save, you go and bring all this closing this for, bring this up. Okay. Bring this up, go to file, save all, and go here and refresh it. We got all our images right here. All our images right here. Okay. Let's go back. Let's continue with our code. Now, what I'm looking for is that let me double check. Okay. Okay. Now let's go back to our code, and here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 closing div. We're supposed to get 3 because this is our one block of code, and then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and this last one is supposed to be 4. That's why I put on categories layout grid 2 here. We start from, if you click on the opening, this is the closing, and 1. We're supposed to get 3. I want you to cut 1, cut the last one, okay, cut it, and paste it here after easy 350. Okay, if you put different name, it's okay, but for me, line 245 here is on this block of code, because we're done with this is a colon 1. Let me put it this way. Let me go back down. This is 1. Okay, as you can see, that's why we give you the last one, because we start, this is a colon 1, another colon 1. That means this is one block of code, and then this is another block of code. And then as you can see, this block of code, we have 2 closing div, 1 and 2, and for the this block of code, you're supposed to get 2 closing div. We only got 1. And then go to the next line and paste this one. If you click here, okay, you can see this opening, this is the closing. Okay, and go save everything and go back here and refresh it. Okay, now let's continue. Okay, you can bring this up. Okay, now next what we are going to do next, I'm going to add something else, and then to put our CSS, add some CSS to that. Now the second thing, I'm going to call this one, this is our trending layout grade 1. Let me put it this way, this is our trending layout grid 1, and go here, we need the div, okay, and pass something. We need the ID for the first one. I'm going to get my trending layout grid, probably grid 1, like this. and div, okay, ID, call it trending layout grid, not 2, trending layout grid 1, and go inside again, the div for the row and for the column. We need at this time create a class like this, and now for the column, class, okay, column 1, and we need another div for the column 1 and padding. Oh no, put a class. Remember, class, we need a class for this one to cut this one, put a class first and paste it back. Okay. Now we need another div for and then add ID, call it my trending. At this time, this is my trending text 1, trending text 1, and here I'm going to pass a span. It's supposed to be 1 line, okay, 1 line, and the first one pass a style of color. This is my color 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and in the font family of, these are font family, and we need a font size of 19 pixels like this, and I'm going to pass a strong here, okay, and this is where I'm going to call it top trending products. Okay, all right. Now what I want you to do after the keep only one, if you click here, my trending text 1 are like this, and then go after this div like this, and then this is where I'm going to pass our second trending, and we need a div that's capital. Okay, this is where we are going to pass our my trending text to like this. In the span like this. Oops. Okay. Okay. And first one need a style, color, and pretty much the same thing. Okay, I can copy this right here and paste it. Just paste this one here and change the font size, put 13 here, and keep after that keep everything. I'm going to change the color, put 80. Okay, and we don't need strong. We put a strong here. We don't need strong here, and say buy with confidence like this. Okay, and after that, what we can do, we can move all our div, put them right here like this. Okay. Okay, this okay. All right, go to the next line here. And now this is what, and then this part is done. We can move this a little bit and save. Go here, save everything. Go back here, and now is all our images here. Okay, we have everything here. Okay, top trending. We have this. Now let's add some CSS to fix this like this. Let me show you. We're gonna put everything like this. Okay. Let's add some CSS. Okay, let's add some CSS. Alright, so go. I want you to, okay, I forgot to put 2 on my picture here. Got different picture. Okay, now this is the white one. Now let's add some CSS. I want you to go and open your style.css. Okay, this is where we left. Now let's add some CSS for the sticky part. Okay, the back to top button, and is the first. This is where we started. We started here, and copy this one, and don't forget this is ID, and put a pound sign first and paste it. And we need a background color. Is our background color right here. We put 69, 69, 69. Background images none. I'm going to use a border radius 50%. Opacity 0.77 and save everything, and I can go here, refresh the page. Okay, if you check it out and refresh the page, as you can see we have the error right here. Okay, now let's continue. The second thing after up sticker layer, and now let's take my up icon, add some CSS and paste it. Don't forget to add the pound sign. And okay, now we need the first thing, we need the background color. Okay, background color is supposed to be transparent also. Now as a CSS, let me okay, put it this way so that you can see, and put a background image it's supposed to be none. E 3E like this. Border radius. Margin 0. Okay, we put we got padding already. We have padding already, margin 0, and now I'm going to save that vertical align top like this. And if you save everything and refresh, this is our arrow. Okay, right here. Now next, let's take this ID. We have my up icon. Remember, this one said my up icon. This one is my we put a 2. Oh no, this one's supposed to be. I want you to fix something, guys. Let me go this way or this way. This one, the first one is my up icon. Okay, here after the div up sticky layer, div ID my up icon, and logo layout grid div. Here I want you to fix this one. This one's supposed to be up icon, not my up icon. Remove my. Okay, it's supposed to be like this. Okay, and go here, go save all. Let's check to see something, what's going on. Okay, as you can see, the arrow is okay more. Now let's copy let's copy up icon, copy it right here, and remove this one. Okay. Now let's put I need a height of 24 pixel and a width of 24 pixel, like this. Now I'm going to say up icon. This is what we're working on right now. Now I'm going to take the eye, okay, and paste it here. We need a color of, is our color 1 2 3 4 5 6, like this. Also I want to display inline block, a font, and save everything. Let me show you what we got so far. Okay. My up particular, okay, this is a 24 pixel. Okay, vertical line top. Okay, this is the color. Okay, then I add to fresh it out. Okay, we don't see it. The arrow are supposed to be right here, like this one. Let me show you, like this one. And okay, let me find out why. Here we have my up icon, my icon eye. Okay, let's go back to index.html. Index.html, we have, okay, let's go to up sticky layer, position fix, text align left, also left order, right order, right 25 pixel, top order, bottom 25, width 50 pixel. Oh yes, we need to add height. We have width. We need to add height. I want you to add height. This is height like this. Put 50. Height supposed to be 50 pixel like this. Okay. I just added height. Up sticky layer. Put height. We have width 50 pixel. Height 50 pixel. Because now it's too low, we cannot see it. And go here, you can save everything, go here, refresh the page. Now we see, okay, it's right here. If you click it, put it right to the top. Okay, now let's fix this part. Let's add more CSS. Go back to style.css. Let's copy this guy and paste it here. Gonna put it over right here, like this. Okay. Let me increase this. Okay. This is the color. Pound sign. Put F9. Okay, like this. Okay. And next, let's go back to index.html. We need the my category layout grid. We're done with this guy. Now let's copy this. Okay. And put the pound sign first because it's an ID, not a class. And do the this. Now I'm going to say clear both. Why I say clear both is because, let me show you 1 second. I say clear both. I want to clear this side. Also, I want to clear this side. Okay. Clear both. Also, I'm going to say position relative. Text, we need a text align center, and we need to display. We want to display table, also in the width of 100%. We need a background color. Put a background here. Put a background color is the color. Put C 1 2 3 4 5 6, and we need a background image, none. We need the border. Background color. Oh, let's change this one. I'm going to cut this one and paste it. Oh no. Oh no. For the background color, we need a pound sign and 1 2 3 4 5 6 like this. For border, we need 1 2 3 4 5 6 like this, okay? And we need a margin of 0 like this. Okay, now, and save everything. Go here, refresh it. Okay, now this is in the center right now. Okay, let's continue. Next, I'm taking the my category grade 2. Okay, let's take this one. Let's take this one and put the pound sign and paste it here. Copy it again. Okay, we're done with this. Now category grid 2, and what I can do, I'm going to copy everything inside of it and paste everything here. Okay, put everything, paste everything inside of it. Okay, and save everything. Go to file, save all, and go here. Okay, now we have our image in the center. Okay, let's continue. Now I'm going to let's work with category grade 2. Let's go back to index status. Okay, and copy this guy, copy, and go back, put the pound sign, paste it here. Okay, now put this is a box size in box, and the padding of 10. Okay, in the margin right, although, and in the margin left. auto. We need a max width. This is the maximum. This is the max width, and go here, refresh it. Okay, got some space. Let's go back. Let's continue. I can do this and bring this over here. Okay, now probably what we're doing. Okay, now we need to remember. Now next I'm going to take the row. Okay, take the row here and copy this guy and paste it here, and we need the row like this. Okay, this is Gene White. Okay, and save it. Put this guy here. Now this time, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to take the row, okay, and paste this guy again. Let me do this and make it so smaller. Back column 2 and put it paste. This is for column 3 here. Okay, this is column 3. We have column 1, column 2, column 3, and then we have 2. Okay. Now for column 3. Okay. Now we need the box sizing. Font. We need the font size. Okay. Save everything, and you can go here. We need some space, add more space. Okay. And next, what we can do, I'm going to copy this this line of code right here. Copy this one and paste it over here, and don't forget to put the pound sign in font. See, okay. Let's see if we have to change something. No. Okay. This is like this, and put. I'm going to float left. Okay. And float it to the left. Okay. Now. This is a good tool. Column 1. Okay, we need the background color. It's supposed to be transparent, and background image none. 6. With a width of 533, and we need 8 threes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8%, like this. And we need a text align center. Okay. And next we let copy this line of code, this block of code, and replace, instead of :1, put 2 instead, and do the same thing. Let me see, we are going to keep it as it is, and click on save, refresh it. Okay, let me expand this. You might get an idea. We have to fix this picture. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 now. Okay, and okay, let's continue and add more. Let's add more code. We need, I'm going to copy this one, copy this block of code and paste it. Instead of :2, put :3 here. Transparent, none, keep it as this. And this is the color. Okay. Now I want you to change text align here for :2, text align not center, text align is supposed to be text align left. Also :3, text align left, like this. Okay, and go here, save all, go here, refresh. Okay, let's continue. I need to copy this. Put before. You can copy. We need 4, and then we will make some changes. Okay. Before, put after, and space that row and before. Display table, and we need the content double quote and put a space in front of it. Also paste this. We need the after first, copy, and take the row after, these two, like this. Okay. Also, I'm going to clear both. And to save everything, go back and refresh page. We are going to fix this because it's supposed to fit on this line. Okay. Now, okay. Now I'm going to say at media max width of, this is 480 pixel, and I'm going to take the category grid tool. Okay. Now categories. Let's copy this. You can let me go up and scroll up and copy this line of code, copy this one and scroll down and paste it here. 1 2 3 colon. No, this is fine. And I want you to go to the next line. This is the opening and closing for this, and go after that right here in the bracket here. Okay, go here, go inside of it and add float none. Also, I'm going to add a width of 100%. And then after that, put important like this. Okay, save, go here and save everything. As you can see, we will fix this part once again. Okay, let's go back to our code. Move this up. Okay, and next let's go back to index.html. I'm looking for my categories text 1, my category text do we have, I think we add category, yes. I'm looking for category text. Okay, right here, my category text 1, copy this and go back, put the pound sign, paste it. Okay, and category text 1, first thing we need the background. Background, put the background image none. We need the background color. Need transparent. Also, we need the border. Is the color 1 2 3 4 5 6 zeros, and border radius and then now we need the margin. Our text should be aligned, text align center. Okay, next I'm going to copy this guy right here and paste it with the pound sign. Okay, and I'm going to take the div at this time, because if you go back to index.html and for the text, I'm going to work with this div. Okay, and this is why I'm going to say for the div, because I picked div because we have the text. This is our text. We have to fix it with. That's why we work with our div. Okay, and I'm going to say text. Text align center. Okay, and go next, paste it again. This time I want it to display. Let's fix this. Display inline block. And give it the full width of 100% and the height of 21 pixel. Okay, now if go here, go to file, save all, and let's go here and refresh the page. Okay, we need some space. Okay, let's continue. Next, let's work. I'm going to add something for the cursor, something that's really important on the CSS part. Okay, for the animation here, I'm going to say at WebKit keyframe. Put after at, put the hyphen at WebKit keyframes like this, space. Put a welcome. Show. Okay. 0% space bracket. Okay. Zero. And what I can do, I'm going to copy this. Oops, I cut it. Uncut. Copy this block of code and paste it here. Let's make some changes. Come and get at WebKit keyframes. Welcome cancel animation. This one put hide. Okay. Okay, put hide. So it's going to be at WebKit keyframes. Welcome. So keyframe. Hide 0. Okay. And put 0 here, first one, and put negative 100 here, %, like this. Now let me figure out what's going on. Now we have white, we have red here. Let me, it gives me keyframes. And okay, let me copy this again to see what's gonna happen. Give me red. Okay. And put show here and put 100%, and at the bottom put 0. I'm going to delete this and paste this instead. It doesn't accept it. I don't know. Let's see. Keyframe. Okay. And next we need one more. Paste this one here. Keyframe. Okay. And this one. This is yes. This one I want you to put show on this one instead. This is a show hide. Put a show and then put hide. Leave it like this, and let me change. Put a 0 here, 100 0, and 0 negative 100. This is fine now. Okay, let's continue. Now, what I'm going to do is let's work with our images right now. Okay, and let's go back to index.html. I'm looking for my category image 1. This is it. This is the first guy. copy, put a pound sign and paste it here. Okay, I'm put first thing I need a margin of and position our image. It should be relative. Also vertical align be top. Okay. Next, paste this. Oh, don't forget to add the pound sign. Okay. We need the border for first part. One, two, three, four, five, six, 0. Let's display this one. Oh, come on. Display block. Okay. Okay, our height will be auto and height, the width 100% height auto, and margin left auto, margin right auto, also vertical align top. One more thing, put after your height, put I'm going to add the max width of 650 pixels. Okay, now let's go here and go save all, go refresh the page. Okay, let's continue that for image 1, and now let's continue for add our overlay for image 1. And for this reason, I'm going to copy this and paste it. Remember, we have it. It's right here. This is the one we're working on. Okay. This is the same thing we're at here. Position absolute. Planner. No, this is. We need a pointer event none. Also left. For our background color, no, instead I'm going to use the this one 255. Three to 255, and the last one we need to change it 1.0. Okay, and next I need the color of, is my color 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and opacity of 0.78. font size, put 13 pixels. Also I need font style, supposed to be normal. And our text align should be center. Okay. Save everything. Okay, and now let's continue and let's see. Something's not right. Let's see categories. Let's go back. We say my categories image 1. Let's see. Let's go back. Index, let me check out. This is categories image 1 over. Yes, this is okay. Let's continue. Now we need -50. Top left, none, absolute. Okay. Okay, now let's take now in categories image 1. We have this is our second ID. Copy this one and put a pound sign, paste it here. Okay, and now this is where, and let's fix this one. I'm going to say filter for the brightness, by the way, 100 pixel, 100%. Okay, transition, filter, 500 milliseconds. Okay. Copy this and paste it here and put our overs over that. Okay. Put over, what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy everything here inside of it and paste it, copy and paste it here. Okay. At this time, put 50% right here, not put 50 instead of 100, put 50 and keep, and then after that keep the rest as it is. And let's go here. We don't see it yet. It's supposed to see it right here. Maybe something image 1. Categories image 1, categories image 1, filter brightness 50, 100. Okay. Transition filter. Okay, find out. Here we have. Let's check this again, and when you refresh this, there is no overlay, and then this picture right here, it's not equal to this one. Okay, let me find out again to see what's going on here. Okay, this is the overlay. Okay, let's go back to index.html. Looking for, oh, okay, this is what we have. We have categories image 3 item overlay. Okay, now we have mine. As you can see, guys, here we have mine. I want you to cut mine, okay, remove mine, and then leave it like this, okay, and save everything, save all, go back, refresh. Nothing yet. Let's go back again. Let's go up. Categories image 1, we have mine. Let's go back to see category image 1. Let me category image 1. Let me see image 1. I'm looking for category, that is overlay. Okay, this right here, this is the ID category image 1, but not mine. Okay, here we have mine. I want you to cut this out. Cut mine and underscore, cut it out, and then leave it as categories image 1, and go here and save all. Go back to our browser and refresh it. Nothing, still nothing yet. Okay, and something. Okay, this is my category image 1. This is good. And then category image 1 overlay. This is good. And I want to scroll up. Here we have categories text. My category text 1, div, my category text 1. We don't have to get to, we're supposed to get only one categories text 1. Let me find out. Okay, scroll up here, category text. This is for text. Okay, because we started from here. Okay, category text. Here we have my. Let's see here. Here we have my category text 1, category text 1. Maybe maybe something is missing here. I guess I'm looking for. Here we have my categories text 1, my categories text 2, and now we have categories, they are grid 1. Okay, I'm looking for my category text 1, and here index.html we have my category text 1. This is good. Maybe some things, because we're supposed to get at WebKit keyframes red. All these are red, but this one is white. Let's see what's going on. We have my category text 1. Oh, okay. Here, guys, let me show you. Is the opening of the bracket. This is the closing is missing. One bracket is missing. Okay, this is where, that's why now we have red. Okay, put this. Okay, line 1220. This is the closing bracket. This is the opening. This is the opening right here. Okay, is the opening and is the closing. We forgot to add the closing. Okay, and go to File, Save All, and go to our browser. Refresh the page. Okay, this is it. Also we have, okay, overlay, but this, the rest of the picture, let's fix it. Let's fix them. Okay, let's go back to our code. Let's go back to our code and fix that. Okay, let's go back. Now I want you to scroll down. Now we have my category. This is fine. This is fine. And okay, this is fine. Now let's continue. We need now here category image 1, and we need a category image 2. Let me show you here. First, yeah, okay, let's take categories image 1. We're done with that. And then let's take my categories image 2. Let me show you here. Go ahead and copy this one, category. After copying this one and my category image 2, and we put a pound sign and we paste it over here. And let's add some code. You need a margin of 0. Okay, and what we can do, we can go here and refresh it. We can do this, you know, and we can do this. Let's fix because this is not fixed. This and those parts are not done yet. As you can see, when we put the cursor, you can see only these two, okay. We need that because we need, okay. Let's continue. Copy my category image 2 again, and let's add some code. Put border here. One, two, three, four, five, six. Display this block with our 100%. Also max width of 650 pixels. Up. Okay, let's save it and refresh the page. Okay, let me see. Explain this. This is not ready yet. Okay, let's keep working on it. And next, let's work. Put the overlay. I mean, this is image 1, category image 1. Okay, we can copy. What we can do, we can for my category for image 2. Okay. Oh, remember, we forgot, we're not supposed to put my. Okay, guys, sorry. It's supposed to be category image 2, not mine. Okay, I want you to cut mine out. It's supposed to be the first one. The first one is okay. The first one is supposed to be my underscore categories image 2, and the second one is supposed to be categories image 2, like this. This is okay. Okay. Now let's put and that's why we cannot see anything. Go to File and Save All. Refresh the page. Now you can see something. Now, as you can see, we got this fixed, this fixed, this fixed, this fixed, this almost there. Let's fix almost this one, the last one. Let's work on it. That's for image 3, but before, let's add that for categories image overlay. We can scroll up and copy this block of code. Okay, this one is for category image 1 overlay. I can copy this and scroll down and paste it here and replace image 1 to image 2 like this. Okay, put image instead of image 1, let's put image 2 here. Okay, and let's see, we don't have any. After that, everything is okay. Go to File, Save All, refresh. Okay, refresh the page. Almost there. Overlay. Okay. Let's continue. Now we need category image 2 for the brightness. What we can do, we can scroll up. I'm looking for these two block of code. These two, okay. Categories image 1, category image 2. This is the one with the hover. I can copy these 2 block of code and scroll down, paste it here, and replace this 1, 2 instead of 1. Put 2. Okay, and okay, let me check if there's any change in this one. No. Okay, no changes. Keep it this way. Go to File, Save All, and refresh the page. Almost there, because we need something for this one, because we don't have any text on this one, on top of this one. I will find out why. Okay, now let's go to image. If you go back to index.html, we need category, this one, image 3. Copy this one and put a pound sign and paste it here. To keep it simple, we can copy this block of code. Copy this one and paste it over here. Instead of 2, put image 3 and save everything. Refresh. Also take the second one, which is this one. Pretty much the same thing over and over, and copy this block of code. Okay, and paste it here. Instead of image 2, put image 3 and save everything. Okay, as you can see, and now almost there. Okay, now as you can see, pretty much okay. Only something, okay, a few things left. Next, after categories image 3, if we go here, category image 2, now you can copy this block of code here, copy over this overlay, and paste it here. Instead of 2, put 3 and save everything and refresh it here. Okay, now as you can see, we have the text everywhere. Okay, almost there. Okay, now what is missing for the overlay? We need the color on top of this one. Okay, next we can copy this last 2 block of code, because we need the brightness. When we put the cursor, you can see, you can change it. We can copy this 2 block of code right here and scroll down and paste them here. Instead of image 2, put 3. Instead of 2, put 3 here and leave it. Save everything and refresh it here. Okay, let me explain this. As you can see, when you put the cursor, you can see it's changed color here. Okay. 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 And I think yes. What is missing? We need to work on. Let me show you. Last part. We have my trending text one. Copy and paste it here. Put a pound sign in front of it. Oops. Put a pound sign here and add some code. We need the background image none, and the background color should be transparent. One, two, three, four, five, six. Okay. Save it. Let's continue. I need my trending text one div. This is where we have it because we have text. Okay. Okay. For the div, we need the text align center. Okay. Also, we can copy this. Copy this. Oops. No. Edit. Okay. Copy. Paste. Display. No. This is we need display in like block. $317. Also, we need a height of 21 pixels. Okay. Next, now we need the pretty much last part. We need my trending text 2. Copy and put a pound sign. Okay. Let's see if we can. What I can do, I'm going to copy this my trending text 1. Copy all the elements here and paste them over here. Okay. We can keep the same thing and copy these 2 blocks of code. Okay. We will make some changes. Copy. Instead of text 1, let's put text 2 and text 2 here. Also, text align center. Display, not display inline block. This one text to display block, and margin 0. Also, we need to remove. Let's see. Don't forget to close this because we need a bracket. Okay. We don't need height. No height. Instead, I'm going to put a border. This is the box sizing. This is the box sizing. Okay, like this. And put a width of, my width supposed to be 100% like this. Okay. Display block, margin 0, width 100%, box sizing with a box, and go save everything. Go to File, Save All, and go here, refresh the page, and this is it, guys. Okay, as you can see. Oh yeah, this is the original side. As you can see, we're going to start from here. When you put the cursor. Okay, and the same for this one as well. Okay, and you click here when you're to top. Okay, this is where I am going to stop. This is a part 4. This is where I'm going to stop. This is a long project, but it's really cool and nice. So I think you enjoy it, you like it. Okay, this is the last part. This is where we stop. I'm going to stop right here. My training text 2. Also, this is for standard CSS. For index.html, we start here. Okay, where that's a trending layout grid 1, and then we got top also by with confidence for here. Okay, this is up. We stop here. And one thing I'm going to do this. Put it this way. No, I'm going to put it this way for you. Next, part 5. Okay, part 5 we will start over here, and the same thing. Let me put this over here as well. This is I can put it this way if you want. Alright, this is part 5. We will stop after that. This is where we stop, guys. So, and this is the last part for part 4, and that's all CSS. Okay, and this is the output. This is what we got. Everything worked properly. Okay, now we have an idea. This is a nice project. And last for part 5, we will add all this product on part 5, and then pretty much on part 6 we will add the rest, and then that's it. Okay, this is where we stop. I'm going to stop here. Thank you for watching. Thank you for coding with me. If you please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, I want to say thank you to all of my subscribers, and thank you. I think you enjoyed this part. All right, I'm going to leave you here. See you in the next one for part 5. All right, thank you. Bye bye.